everybody, thanks for watching my video. For those of you returning who are subscribers, you know who I am and you know what I'm driving right now. If you're new to my channel, my name is James Raymakers, and this is my 2014 Maserati Ghibli SE4. And I want to talk about a subject today that we probably always, us Ghibli drivers, well, Maserati drivers in general, have hit. That's called the rev limiter. There's a difference between the rev limiter system and the Ghiblis with 3.0 liter V6s and the GTs with 4.7 liter V8s. The 4.7 liter V8 just cuts fuel, and that's why you'll hear the V8 bounce when it hits the rev limiter. It'll bounce over and over again. The Ghibli uses a combination of throttle cut, fuel cut, and what they call wastewater dump. I don't know what that is. To cut cut power to the engine so you don't over rev the engine. Bad for the engine. I asked around about that, and if we should be concerned if we hit that at a regular basis, if we activate the rev limiter on a frequent basis. And I've been told it's not a worry as long as the engine is at operating temperature. The racers on the track, they bounce their rev limiters all the time, I've been told, and it's not a concern. So as long as your engine's at operating temperature, I wouldn't worry about it. I wouldn't be revving your engine if your engine's not at operating temperature. Allow it to get up to operating temperature before you bring your revs up above 4,000 RPM, especially closer to 6,000 RPM. You don't want to be doing that when the engine's cold. You don't want to be revving your engine after a fresh cold start. That's not good for the engine. So thanks for watching my video again. If you're a subscriber, thank you. If you're not a subscriber and you want to catch all my videos, my Maserati Ghibli maintenance videos and other videos that I do, please subscribe, like my video, and don't forget to click that bell. That way you'll be notified of all the videos that I do post. Thanks again for watching, and until then, if you own a Maserati, get your thrills every day. Love this car.